share ko na live natin.
Ramdam agad ang energy sa core. Dribble dito, pasa doon. Sigawan ng crowd, may reaksyon na todo. Tibok ng puso, sabay sa beat. Laban lang, huwag kang bibitaw kahit init. Kada tira, kada galaw, may sigaw. May aksyon to, walang urong, bawal ka ba? Reaksyon, basketball league. Dito tunay ang team athlete. Lakas ano, sige sulong. May aksyon hanggang dulo. Reaksyon, basketball league.
Itong ilaw. Shoutout po sa lahat ng member ng Sabra.
May action, wow! Laro ng bayan, laro ng tapang. Bawat tripin, may pusong lalaban. Mula sa kanto hanggang sa gym, may aksyon pa rin, panalo ang team. Sigla na doon, apoy ng kape. Lahat masaya, pamilya at kaibigan din. Sa bawat buzzer, bawat cheers, may aksyon pa rin, taon-taon, walang peers. May aksyon, basketball league. Dito tunay ang team athlete. Ang taas na no, sige sulong. May aksyon hanggang dulo. May aksyon, basketball league. Puso galing yan ang thread. Sabay-sabay natin isigaw. May action, wow! Dribble, pasa, shoot, sabay. Shoot, guys! Sigaw ng crowd, todo bigay. Shoot, guys! Champion moves, respeto pa rin. May action league, tagumpay natin. May action, basketball league. Dito sama-sama, solid ang team. Kada laban, kada panaginip. May action, tuloy-tuloy ang init. Hanggang sa dulo, walang retreat. Laro ng puso, laro ng street. Sabay-sabay natin isigaw. May action, wow! May action, basketball league. May action, sama-sama, walang iwanan. Basketball league,
Shoutout po sa ating
volleyball league.
58 million viewers. Magandang po sa inyo lahat. Kaya po nung live natin mga kaman.
Wow!
Shoutout po kay Madam Nori Gabinho, JR Villanueva. Tagad sa'yo, bossy. Uy, shoutout si Tadori Sintano. Tagad po at kay paring J. Mark Hernandez.
AJ.
Patrick Cuela. Ganda-gandang bakbakan to mga kaman. Shoutout kay Idol Silver Aguila. Ganda ko sa'yo, Idol. Share ng live natin. Shoutout sa'yo paring J.R. Villanueva ng Barangay Kabato. Manggera Jason. Shoutout sa'yo, Boss Jefferson Manalo, Jomer Perez. Gandang gabi. Pa-share po ng live natin, pa-share. Kate Kimberly Esmilio, magandang gabi po. Kay Xavier Rebalo, magandang gabi. Pa-share po ng live natin, pa-share. Sa'yo paring Bal Bailon Reyes. Mag-share po ng ating live. bossing, puro hugot. Masyado lang pinapalakas to. Precious Ramos, magandang gabi po. Pa-share po ng live natin, pa-share.
Pagbati po ng isang magandang gabi sa ating butihing Sangguniang Bayan, Councilor, Konsehal Regreg Paldeo.
Welcome pare ko, welcome. Pa-share naman ako, pa-share. Para mas maraming makapanood na kaibigan natin dyan. Bakbakan to. Shoutout daw po kay Kuya Apeng ng bagong po, sabi ni Aaron Reyes. Sabi ni Neil ay ito pa rin daw sa Batang Siya. Magandang gabi Mike, Ryan. Data no? Data yung ginagamit ko. Okay, bakbakan na tayo mga kamat. Shoutout Renzo Risa, Sherry Lagimpas, Michelle, magandang gabi po. Barangay Anastasia, pa-share po nung live natin para mas maraming kaibigan natin makapanood dyan. Para hindi mo nag-live? Hindi kaya ng wifi. Wala, may ka? May wifi. Nakatayin na ako. Panalo po ang Aquino.
Nakatag si Mayor. Anong ginagamit mo
Yung
account?
may action po ang nakatag.
Pero anong
Dito sa live.
Hindi anong ginagamit mo account sa pagla-live?
Yung Ismael po.
Ha?
Ismael Manalaman. Mas may reply tayong kasama ko. Yung babae. Hindi yung lalaki. Kasi galing nilipat. Tapos dito sa welcome po, Konsi, welcome. Bonel Mansit, magandang gabi po. Myron Aurelio Orte. Sama, magandang gabi. Okay, bakbakan na tayo. Pasensya na po kung medyo malabo yung live. Medyo mahina po yung ating data at naglulus ang ating connection.
Please clear the floor. And now let's battle begin our last game. Battle between Team Lumingon versus Team Bukal. On the starting five of Team Lumingon, wearing jersey number 8, Santos. Jersey number 11, Austria. Jersey number 9, Mangampan. Jersey number 20, Landicho. And jersey number 25, Tombado. Now from the starting five of Team Bukal, wearing jersey number 16, Dokmo. Jersey number 37, Bisbe. Jersey number 15, Padricala. Jersey number 25, Santos. And jersey number 17, Abacan. Our officiating officials for tonight's ball game, Mr. Ivan Omari, Vice President of Tabra, Verdi Flores, and President of Tabra Consejal, Tomas P. Ilaw.
Shout out, Idol Napor. Kagabi. Okay, bakbakan na tayo. Pa-share po ng live natin, pa-share.
On the center line, battle for the jump ball between Santos and Tokmo. Vagabond to Austria. Out of bound, change ball possession. Abaka number 17. Santos to Tokmo.
Okay, shout out po sa akin ninang. Kay Lucy Laguerta.
Angel Santos to Austria.
Magandang gabi po.
Number 20 from downtown.
Magampon.
Rebound by Magampon. 10 seconds to shoot. Magampon 3.
Manatas, Magampon. Agawan pa. Austria.
2 Austria. Jersey number 19, Arlen Santos.
Shout out lang kay
10 seconds on the shot clock.
Uy, this net.
5 seconds to shoot. There's a sound. Foul on jersey number 20. You committed first personal foul, first team foul.
Magandang gabi. Sumakay din natin pa sa shoutout. Pasensya na po kayo at medyo busy tayo. Score natin, 5-0.
Nandito ba to Austria? Angel Santos from close range. Robs the rebound by Abakan. Good for 2, Tokmo.
Ito, bagong player din ang bukal. Magampo. Bang!
Magampon 3.
2 hits, 3 points sa akin. Di ba kung ganton?
And here's a missile. Foul on jersey number 20, pushing foul. You committed 7 personal foul, second team foul. Substitution. Nandito out.
Welcome po, welcome.
Replaced
Pa-share
by
po ng live natin.
number 4, Ivan
Gusto
Nandito.
natin kaibigan natin makapanood dyan.
So yan, live tayo ngayon sa Tabra.
5-0 ating score. 5-2 na pala. Yan, 5-3 na. 8-3 na, 8-3. 8-3 ang ating score.
Two free throws basket from Michael Bisbee. Magampon back to Austria.
Tumbado.
In for 2, Tumbado.
Santos. 2.
Good for 2, Padriquera.
10-6. Score natin. Bakan. 5-3. No good.
Out of bound. Team Lumingon.
Lamang po
Ball
ang
possession.
Lumingon. 10-6. Shoutout Chris Abad. Bicho.
10 seconds on the shot clock.
Uy.
Trying to shoot.
Bicho. No good.
Rebound number 25. Arlen Santos runs on the lane.
This way. This way.
Pushing foul, jersey number 9. You committed first personal foul, 3 team foul.
Lamang po ang Lumingon. 10-6 ang ating score.
Waste up again. Foul on jersey number 11, Austria. Holding foul, first personal foul, warning for penalty. Two chances on the free throw line for Tokmo.
Tokmo.
Two free throws basket from Tokmo. Is leading by Arlen Santos. Number 17, move for two, Abakan. Running for the rebound, now goes number 25. Out of bound, same ball
Shoutout po
position.
kay Joel Bundol dyan. J. Mark Lopez.
Substitution.
Shoutout po sa mga taga-Canada. Yan. Laing udol kay Samuel Amat. Kay Sam Amat.
Zumbado out, replacing by Ryan. Santos out, to be replaced by Hernandez. Austria out, to be replaced by
Deadlock 10 ang
Dalisa.
ating score. Deadlock 10. Gandicho to
Landicho,
Dalisay.
pass to Dalisay.
Santos.
10 seconds on the shot clock. Rebound number 37, Michael Bisbee.
Uy!
Foul on jersey number 4, pushing foul. Landicho, first personal foul, penalty. Two free throws will be given to Michael Bisbee. Change favor.
Hihina ang ating
11-10 in favor of Team Bukal. From the long range, Landito 3. Remaining time 5 minutes. Substitution. Abakan to be replaced by Mendoza.
kay Ron Andre Peñarroyo. Share ng live natin.
11 seconds. seconds to shoot. 5 seconds on the shot clock. For 2, Magampon.
Pass break. Dicho.
And there's Alisa. Foul on jersey number 6. Timeout, Team Bukal. Patrick Cala, you committed first personal foul, first team foul.
11-15. Lamang po ang Bukal.
Official.
Lumingon pala po ang lamang. 15-11.
That's left. 2 chances on the free throw line for Magnayan.
Idol strong side, pitikan tayo. Hindi ko lang may chat at lobot yung aking account eh, pang chat.
Rebound jersey number 4. Mendoza. And seconds to shoot. Rebound by Angelo Santos. Cross the field by Mendoza. Is touches away. Pass to Angelo Santos. Good for 2. From the paint, Tokma and there's Orisa. Foul on jersey number 45, pushing foul. First personal foul, penalty.
Wala ang signal. Wala, naputol.
First one is in the basket. Ready for basket substitution. On the dribble from downtown. Kobe Alisai, pass to Landicho. Behind the arc, Landicho, 3. Robs the steal, jersey number 11. Grabs on the lane, Hernandez. Alisai to Santos, rejected. Easy pass down, Arnold Bisbee. On jersey number 7, substitution. Magampon out to be replaced by Austria. Patrick Cala out to be replaced by Santos. Kobe Alisa, you committed first personal foul. Ready for basket substitution. Substitution up. Number 16 out. Landicho pass to Austria. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Rebound number 25, Arlan Santos. Rejected by number 25. One lead in 40 seconds. Out of bound, Team Lumingon, ball possession. Austria to Landicho. Rebound jersey number 37, Bisbee. Countdown out, Michael Bisbee, 3. One minute remaining. Seconds on the shot clock. 5 to shoot. Good for 2. Tumbado. Remaining time 30 seconds. He's not just away by Landicho, lays it up. Last 15 seconds. Foul on jersey number 4, Landicho. Second personal foul penalty. 9 seconds left. 2 free throws will be given to Quijano. Last 9 seconds. Solista. Foul on jersey number 4, pushing foul. You committed first personal foul, second team foul. 2 chances on the free throw line for Kobe on this side. Last 2 seconds.
24-18.
And the first official score.
Okay, second quarter tayo.
Team Bungal on ball possession. Santos to Fadriquera. And there's a whistle, foul on jersey number 4. Second personal foul, first team foul. On the corner, Kobe Nalisay, dribbled by Stevie. 10 seconds to shoot. seconds on the shot clock. On jersey number 25, Arlan Santos. First personal foul, second team foul. Lead for two, Arlan Santos. Ten seconds to shoot. Lead for two, Tumbado. Moving on this side, three. Substitution. Substitution again. Mendoza, you committed 2 personal foul and 3 team foul. Seconds on the shot clock. Lead for two, Santos.
Talaga ayaw gumana ng live natin. Wala signal.
For the rebound, jersey number 11. Foul on jersey number 17. Abakan, you committed first personal foul, voting for penalty.
Ayaw gumana. Naubos ang luto. Para wala po siya. Kaya wala po live. Para wala naman eh. Gawa ng taklo pa isang gulo. Taklo pa isang gulo.
Samisa. Foul on jersey number 8. Foul on jersey number 25, substitution. Arlan Santos, second personal foul, penalty. Ready for basket substitution. Foul on jersey number 45, substitution, penalty. Correction. Second personal foul, second team foul. Final dispatch 3. Substitution. Laming out to be replaced by Austria. Foul on jersey number 25, pushing foul. First personal foul, 3 team foul. He wants two on Mayan. It is jump ball. Team moving on, ball possession. Andito 3. Good for 2, Hernandez. Jersey number 37, Michael Bisbee, warning for technical for breaking a foul. Silence! Team moving on. Official score 38-29 is in favor of Team moving on. Team Lumingon ball possession. Seconds to shoot. Good for two, Quadricala. Seconds to shoot. Shot clock violation. Substitution. Hernandez to be replaced by De La Rosa. Landicho out. Last 35 seconds. Seconds on the shot clock. Last 10 seconds. 5 seconds remaining.
Shot 41-33.
And of our first half, official score 33-41 is still in favor of Team Lumingon.
Usap pala ng load. Kaya pala nawala.
Offensive foul on jersey number 4. You are warning for foul down and forcing foul. And seconds on the shot clock. Same ball possession. 12 seconds on the shot clock.
pa-share po ulit yung live natin mga kamad.
10 seconds on the shot clock.
Naputol po yung live natin. Naputol po yung live natin. Ubusan tayo ng load.
Unsportsmanlike foul.
Shoutout po kay Ate Jenny Capina. May share po ng ating live.
Unsportsmanlike foul, jersey number 17. 3 minutes rest. You committed second personal foul, second team
Ayun na po yung
foul.
signal natin. Pasuyo, pa-share po nung ating live. At naputol yung live natin kanina. Tapusan tayo ng load. Score po natin 44-35.
Two chances on the free throw line for Santos. Plus ball possession for Team Lumingon. First free throw out of the basket.
Shoutout po kay Boss Philip Abansado. Ganda po sa iyo, bossing. May share po nung live natin. At naputol yung live natin kanina.
10 seconds on the shot clock.
So yun po, share po nung ating live.
And call on jersey number 16. Tokma, first personal foul, 3 team foul.
Score po natin 44-35. Lamang po dito ang Lumingon. Third quarter na po tayo. Third quarter. Naputol po yung live natin kanina at nabusan tayo ng load. Pasensya na ho. At
First free throw is in the basket. And ball free throws made by Bagampon. And there's a whistle.
third quarter na po. Third quarter.
Foul on jersey number 16, Tokmo. Second personal
So yun po,
foul,
pa-share po ng
warning
live
for
natin mga
penalty.
kamay.
Substitution.
46-35 ang ating score. Lamang po Lumingon.
Running team, De La Rosa and Mendoza out.
Shoutout sa iyo, idol. J. Mark Mariano. Magandang gabi.
First free throw, Santos is in the basket. Foul on jersey number 9, Bagampon. Second personal foul, first team foul. Basket first free throw attempt of Michael Bisbet.
Shoutout daw kay J. Ariel Peligas, sabi ni John Dexter De La Rosa. Shoutout po kay Boss Nelson Amat. Magandang gabi sa iyo, kuya. Pa-share po nung live natin, pa-share. Santos Spice, so good. Tok.
And there was some sound. Foul on jersey number 25, Tumbayo, pushing foul. Second personal foul. And second team foul. On the baseline, Arlan Santos. Lead for two, Hernandez. Ten seconds on the shot clock. Lead for two, Austria.
39-49. Lamang ng 10.
Top ball, lead for two.
Shout out Rolando Francisco, magandang sa'yo, bossing. Tsaka kay Bisa Meriel Villabando. Pa-share po ng live natin, pa-share. Paul Podriguela.
Foul on jersey number 6.
Pa-share po ng live natin, pa-share, mga kaman.
Andy Child to be replaced by Kobe Narisay. Podriguela, you committed second personal foul penalty. Ready for a basket substitution. Hernandez 3.
Score po natin,
6 minutes remaining.
44. Labang pa rin po ang Lumingon. Dalisay for 3. Nice!
Kobe Narisay 3.
Bisbe. Wives. Uy!
Austria.
Shout out kay Tito Dolor, Madlambayan. Magandang gabi po.
Podriguela 2 points.
Shout out din kay Boss Jade Aguila. Magandang gabi. Pa-share po nung live natin. Mga kaman. Tita Dolor, ilan na po yung ating viewers? Hindi ko na po makakita dito eh. Mahina kasi yung signal.
Kobe Narisay 3.
55.
Team Bukal.
Tita Dolor, ilan na po yung ating viewers?
5 minutes and 7 seconds left.
Uy, shout out,
Official
shout
score
out.
46-58 is still on top. Team Lumingon.
Shoutout kay Idol Aaron Buser. Magandang gabi, Idol. Tita Dolor, ilan na po yung viewers natin? Hindi ko makita din eh. Shoutout, Alexis. Ilan na po yung ating viewers? Slow connection na naman.
Resume the ball game.
Salamat po, tita. Salamat po. share po ng live natin mga kaamat. Score po natin 58-46. Landicho. Paso Dalisay. Dalisay to Santos.
10 seconds on the shot clock.
Dalisay. Uy! Ang ganda naman yan. Sayang. Madriguera. Uy, steal. Dalisay for play. Very good. Santos. Yari ka dyan. Rock mo. Uy! Nagawan. Andy. Nagawan ulit. Lamang po ang Lumingon.
Aaron Santos 3.
Idol Lyron, ang score natin ay 58-49. Lamang po ang Lumingon. Oras natin ay 3 minutes and 47 seconds sa ating third quarter.
5 seconds to shoot.
Austria replaced by number 10. Nag-share po ng ating live. So, nandito din pala si Kuya Lawrence Mercado. Ayan, magandang gabi. Kuya Lawrence. Bisbe. Magnaye to Landicho. Landicho drives. Uy! Magnaye.
Rebound number 37, Michael Bisbee. Same ball possession.
Madriguera. No good. Uy, walang
Rebound jersey number 8, Santos. Pasok mo Dalisay.
Dalisay, pocket play. No good. Uy, shout out. Maganda kami sa'yo, idol. John Noel Morales.
On the ball, Aaron Santos. The number 16, Tokmo Niporzu. Sugis in 35 seconds on the game clock. I'm Landicho from down court. Rasta jersey number 6, Juan Miguel. Good for 2. Landicho, pass to Dalisay.
53-58. Lili mo na po, lamang.
Santos, back to Landicho from downtown. Rebound jersey number 25, Aaron Santos.
Save ball.
Out of bound and save ball.
Salamat po, Boss Jepeng. Dante
Substitution.
Guevara. Risio, magandang gabi sa'yo, idol. Mag-share naman ang live natin, idol. Share lang,
Aaron
share.
Santos to be replaced by
Marsan Doval,
Batman.
magandang gabi po,
Mangayaot to be replaced by Tumbado.
Shoutout po
Dandy
kay
Child
Consial Joel
to be
Maruban.
replaced by Austria.
Marsan Doval, magandang gabi.
Official score 53-58. Is in
Joel
favor
Maruban.
Lumingon.
May isuyo po, ma-share po ng live.
And there's a missile foul on the floor. Jersey number 4. You committed certain personal foul, 3 team foul.
Ma-share ng live natin.
2 minutes left on the game clock. Inbound from the baseline, Tokmo. To number 37.
Bisbe. Michael K. Good.
Cross the inbound by Austria. Jersey number 11. Right on the lane. Cross the inbound by Bisbee.
Uy!
Penetrate! Rebound by Steve Patricella and Durso Isal.
Score po natin, 58-53.
Foul on jersey number 25.
Lamang pa rin po ang Lumingon ng 5. Makikishare po
You
ng live.
committed third personal foul. And 20 for penalty. Substitution. Tumbado out.
Shoutout po kay Ate Jovelyn Alcazar. Magandang gabi po. Score po natin 58-53. Lamang pa rin po Lumingon.
On the baseline, Hernandez. Patricella to Bisbee, 10 seconds on the shotgun. A ball gun rejected by Santos. That is a pass to Santos.
Laksak na. Idol.
On there's a Santos. Ball gun rejected. But now there's a missile.
Sinalaksak na ni Idol Santos. Mga kawan.
Wearing jersey number 45. Hit hand. Third personal foul. Penalty. And now two chances on the free throw line. Jersey number 17. Abaka.
Sial, naputol ang live natin kanina at naubusan po ng load. Nagpa-load muna. Shoutout sa Taytay ng Carlan, Laguna. Sabi po ni Tita Dolor Madlambayan. Yan, magandang gabi po sa mga Madlambayan dyan sa Taytay ng Carlan, Laguna. Sa mga Suspirano, magandang gabi po.
Austria. Remaining time 1 minute. Now on the football jersey number 11, Hernandez. Pass to Patrick. For two. Team Lumingon. 44 seconds left. Provincial score 56-60. Is still in favor of Team Lumingon.
56-60. Wala ka pong ginagawa. Wala kang ginagawa. Kanina, nakadalawang tres na. Kanina, si Michael Bisbee. Idol.
Again, official score 60-56 in favor of Team Lumingon. Two remaining timeouts for both teams.
Shoutout daw po sa mga ka-work ni Boss Jespam Castillo. Sa mga taga
Resume the ball game, 44 seconds left.
Magandang gabi po sa mga taga URC San Pablo. Sabi po ni Boss Jespam Castillo. Pasensya na po, pa-share po nung ating live, pa-share. Muhammad. Pasensya na ho kung medyo malabo at talaga hong low connection.
Santos, pass to number 45. Magdaya to the side, 10 to shoot. Rejected by Bisbee. Eight seconds on the shotgun. From the baseline. Landicho, pass to Austria. From downtown. Rebound number 6, Patricella, 20 seconds remaining.
Patricella.
Number 17, Balkan, basket count.
Basket count. Shoutout daw po kay Gonzal Lawrence Mercado sa
Austria.
Mutmut.
Second personal foul and penalty. Bonus free throw will be given to Abakan.
Third quarter na po. Last 10 seconds sa third quarter.
10 seconds remaining.
60-58, dadalawa lamang ng Lumingon. Dalisay.
From downtown, Dalisay rejected. And 1 second.
Idol, Aaron po sir, ay yabang na ang iyong
1 second.
bunso mo, ay yabang. Nakadalawang block na kay Kobe Dalisay.
Team Bugal, ball possession.
Nakadalawang block na si Kobe Dalisay kay Idol Bisbe. Sir?
And a power third quarter of the
Let's go,
score.
Marias!
16-58, 2 points lead by
Okay,
Team
last quarter na tayo,
Lumingon.
last quarter. Pa-share ng live natin. Okay, resume the ball game tayo. 60-58 ang ating score at lamang ng dalawa ang Lumingon. Okay, fourth quarter tayo mga aman.
Kobe Dalisay to Manayan. Santos. 10 seconds on the shot clock.
Oscardi, walang sudan.
Cross the steal by jersey number 17, Abacan. Pass to Hernandez. To take the double stride. 3-2.
Nakalang birthday boy.
Headlock 60.
Makatake na, Idol Buser. Mata mo.
Austria pass to Landicho. 10 seconds to shoot. Santos looking to his domain. From perimeter, Santos. Good for 2. Money for taking a foul, jersey number 45 for faking a foul. Hernandez, shot is no good.
Lagi na naharangan na replay.
Landicho to Santos.
Inter-barangay po. Okay, tahimik.
And 10 seconds to shoot.
Landicho.
Price on the lane. Rebound by Bisbe. Out of bound. Team Lumingon ball possession.
Exegel. Kakikla. Pagwiyaw. Magandang gabi sa'yo. Shout out. 98 million viewers.
Landicho on the dribble.
Landicho.
Pass to number 45. Magdaya. There's a missile. Foul on jersey number 25. Pushing foul. Third personal foul. First team foul. 2 chances on the free throw line for Magdaya.
Hugot po ng Barangay Bukal si Bisbe.
First one is out of the basket.
$62-60.
Number 25 is not just away by Kobe Dalisay.
Inside.
Attack on the basket. Good for 2. Dalisay. Number 11 Hernandez to Tokmo. From close range. Good for 2.
Parang wala naman pong import pero nakarehistro po sa barangay ng Bukal.
Austria to Magdaya. From downtown.
Hindi ko po alam kung paano
Rebound number
narehistro doon.
16. Tokmo. Cross the city line, Landicho.
Landicho.
Pass to his teammate, Santos. To Dalisay. Pass out to Landicho beyond the arc. Rebound by Michael Bisbee. Bowling from Hernandez.
64-62 ang score natin.
Ready for that ball substitution. Out of bounds, substitution right. Magkay out. Galisay out. Dogbo out.
64-62 ang score natin. Abang pa-report.
Hernandez out.
Ayaw na naman mag-zoom. JRB Kalayag.
On sound court, Arlon Santos. Seconds on the shot clock. On the ball, Team Lumilon, ball possession. Simon! Team Bukal, head coach challenge.
Shout out
Shot
kay
clock,
Boro
6
from
seconds
Mindanao,
to shoot.
sabi ni Kyle Berguilla. Ano? Berguilla? Okay, receive the ball.
Baseline, Arlon Santos. From downtown, Lucas Robin.
Pakpakan na tayo.
Number 9, Magapon.
Magapon to Landicho.
Andrew Samisel, handshake foul. Jersey number 72.
Boro from Mindanao.
Who committed first personal foul, substitution. Magdai out to be replaced by Angela Santos.
Pa-share po nung live natin, mga Ahmad.
Number 25, 10 seconds on the shot clock. Pass to Landicho. By Kishun. By Arlon Santos.
64-62 ang score natin.
Ball is largest away by Austria.
Gandang dumipensa ng Lumingon.
Setting the play. 10 seconds to shoot.
Uy, one.
Inside of the basket. It's a dribbling violation. Substitution.
Ganda na sana.
Love is out. To be replaced by Dokmo.
Sa pwede na sa
Substitution. Austria out. To be replaced by Gopi Dalisay. Tokma drives on the lane. And it was Arisa. Foul on jersey number 4, pushing foul. You are ball bound.
ball down.
And 3 team foul. From guard, Ivan Landicho.
Santos.
Santos penetrate.
Uy, sayang.
Rebound by Steven Landicho. Beyond the arm. Rebound by jersey number 25 to Kobe Dalisay. Rebound by Michael Bisbee.
ganda ng pass.
Number 16, Compadre Cala. And number 2, Apoca. Official score, Dadlock 64.
Dicho to
Number 8, Marlon Santos.
deadlock 64 tayo
So
mga
number
kapit.
25, 10 seconds on the shotgun. Landicho, Kukobi Dalisay throws it down. And Durso is down. Foul on jersey number 17, Abakan.
Deadlock
Personal
64.
foul, warning for
Deadlock
penalty.
64. Shoutout daw po sa mga taga Jensan, sabi ni Anthony Samson. Magandang gabi sa'yo, idol. Kikishare po ng live natin. Shoutout po sa mga taga Jensan.
Ipon from the baseline, Landicho. Pass to Dalisay.
Obi Dalisay.
10 seconds to shoot.
Santos. Uy, ang ganda.
Angelo Santos.
Nadali ng idol.
Remaining time 4 minutes.
Arlan Santos. Bandicho.
10 seconds on the shotgun. Under Zumisa.
Lamang pa rin po ng dalawa ang lumingon. 66, 64.
Jersey number
Talaga namang
25.
napakaganda ng bakbakan natin.
You are warning for foul down. And first team foul.
Shoutout po sa lahat ng naririto ngayong gabi. Napakadaming
2
manood.
chances on the free throw line for Aaron Santos. First one, he's out of the basket.
Shoutout kay Angelo Villanueva. Ganda po. Tsaka kay Rachel Gabinho. Shoutout sa ating 98 million viewers. Last row. In the basket.
Basket for the second throw, Aaron Santos. 65-66. Team Lumingon leading by 1.
Landicho.
Landicho. 10 seconds to shoot. And now there's a whistle. Foul on jersey number 16, Dogmo. Third personal foul penalty. 2 free throws will be given to Landicho.
Shoutout Rosas, Marine, Angelo. Last quarter na po tayo. 3 minutes and 33 seconds. Sa ating fourth quarter, score natin 66. Deadlock.
First free throw attempt is in the basket.
67, 65. Giancarlo Manatapi, Tapay, Christian Buenapo. Welcome, idol.
Two free throws made by Landicho.
68, 65. Patrick Bisbe. Michael Bisbe.
Bisbe from downtown. Out of bound. Change ball possession.
Ay, ang hirap pag naharangan.
Number 7, Dalisay.
Dalisay, naharas sa
Bisbe
Bisbe.
on the defense. 10
Oy!
seconds to shoot.
Oy!
Number 8, Angelo Santos.
Ganda ng pasa, walang iya. Mga galawan ni Dalisay.
Aaron Santos on the rebound.
Wala ni Bisbe titira.
10 seconds on the shot clock. Patrick Vela. No good.
Napakaganda pa.
From putback. Good for 2.
Sige idol, bigyan ka ng sitaw. Punta ka sa bahay. Dibitas ako bukas.
Ivan Landicho on the dribble.
Landicho. Santos. Tinatao po ng
Now
Bisbes.
Santos. Finds on the line. Basket count. Foul on the basket.
Tinatao po ng Bisbes. Kobe Dalisay.
You are warning for foul down. And penalty.
Puro balda sa
Official
mga ito.
score 67-72. Bonus free throw will be given to Angelo Santos.
Bonus shot.
2 minutes and 13 seconds on the game clock.
Score natin, 73-67. Ayaw tumabi ng referee. Ako na doon puminto. Uy!
Arlen Santos from downtown. Last 2 minutes.
Okay, resume the ball game. Lumingon ball.
Landicho on the dribble.
Landicho.
Looking to his city. To number 25, to battle 10 seconds on the shot clock.
Dalisay.
Points on the lead, Dalisay, pass to Santos. And there's the result. Foul on jersey number 37, Michael Bisbet. First personal foul, penalty. 2 chances on the free throw line for Angelo Santos.
Sabi ni Boss JP. Magandang gabi sa iyo, Boss JP. Shout out sa lahat ng mga taga-Anastasia dyan.
First free throw attempt, easy in the
Score
basket.
natin, 74-67 in favor of Lumingon.
Basket again for the second throw.
75-67 in favor of Lumingon.
Now jersey number 37, Bisbet to Abacan. Good for 2.
Shout out daw kay Ivan
1
Batli
minute
na
and 25 seconds on the game clock.
Okay, Landicho, naglalandi. Lande to Santos.
10 seconds to shoot.
Santos to Dalisay, ang ganda yan.
Dalisay, good for 2.
Iniwanan si Bisbe.
Abacan from the 2-point line. Good for 2. Montecala. Remaining time 1 minute.
77-71. Anin po, lamang. Okay, Landicho, naglalandi. To Magampon. To Dalisay.
10 seconds to shoot.
Dalisay, nagagalit at anim daw lamang. Dalisay for 3. The good.
Rebound jersey number 16. Tokmalo pass to Abacan. Good for 2.
Baka. Shoutout po kay Abejo. Julian. Magandang gabi po sa inyo.
Team Lumingon. Last 35 seconds left. Official score 73-77 in favor of Team Lumingon.
Nadali ng sindikato. 77-73. Ba, nag-uwi yan ha? Hindi pa tapos? Oo. Nag-uwi yan ha, mga taga-bukal. Score natin, 77-73. Namang ng apat, last 35 seconds sa ating last quarter mga kaman. Kaunti yung lamang na yan. Mahaba-haba pa yung oras natin. Apat ang lamang.
Resume the ball game. Last 35
Magandang
seconds
gabi kay
left.
Kuya Alan Madlambayan ng Barangay Antonino, Dolores, Quezon. 77-73. 35 seconds sa ating fourth quarter. Mga kaman. Mahaba-haba pa yan. Okay, Kobe Dalisay. Inbound din, inbound.
On the inbound, Kobe Dalisay. Pass number 8.
Santos.
Santos. Back to Dalisay. Cross the second jersey number 11. Hernandez. Pass to Arnel Santos. With time fire. Belong by Hernandez. Pass out to Madrigal. To Arnel Santos. Good. Last 15 seconds and here's a missile.
Harahan kayo. Hindi natin nakita nangyari.
Jersey number 6, holding foul, Madrigal. Third personal foul, penalty.
14 seconds. 14 seconds. Nakaamat.
Two chances on the free throw line for Austria. First free throw is in the basket. Last 14 seconds on the game clock.
Seconds.
Two free throws made.
79. Anin, malamang.
And there's a missile. Foul on jersey number 11. Third personal foul.
Nagbabayaran na po sa dulo. Mga may pusta. Nagbabayaran na.
Timeout, Team Lumigo.
Nagbabayaran na sa dulo, mga may pusta. Challenge daw. Ha? Challenge ba yan? May pusta na? Ewan. Mga Al Santos siguro. Lahat na, madaming yung sure eh. Aray ko daw, sabi ni Buser. Buser. Dapat lumaro ka rin din eh sa ano, Barangay Bukal. Sama ni Bisbay. Para may katulong, Bisbay.
Upon review, Team Lumigo challenge was not successful. On jersey number 11. Second team foul.
Patrick Hera.
Last 11 seconds remaining.
Bakan.
Number 17, Bakan, open. Now, jersey number 7, Alisai.
Congratulations, Barangay Luminon.
In for two.
Maraming salamat, Barangay Bukal.
Congratulations, Team Lumigo.
Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng nanood. Bye-bye.